Welcome. If you've been wondering how to easily organize your Dropbox photos by the months they were taken or uploaded right from your mobile device, you're in the right place. Dropbox recently updated their mobile app to make managing your photo library smoother than ever. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you group your photos by months directly on your phone. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your photos quickly. Next, look to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Photos tab. This section is dedicated to all your images and videos stored in Dropbox, making it easier to browse through your collection. Once you're inside the Photos tab, at the top of the screen, you'll see a Group By option. Tap on this, and you'll be presented with different ways to organize your photos. From the grouping choices, select Months. This will instantly arrange your photos into neat monthly batches based on the date they were taken or uploaded to your Dropbox account. Not only does this feature help you quickly find photos from a particular month, but it also keeps your memories ordered in a logical timeline, saving you time and effort when scrolling through thousands of pictures. This monthly grouping lets you focus on specific moments, whether you're looking for last summer's vacation photos or snaps from a family gathering earlier this year. And that's it. With just a few taps, your Dropbox photos on mobile can be beautifully organized by month, making your photo browsing experience much more enjoyable and efficient. If you want to get even more organized, remember that Dropbox also lets you create folders within your account, so you can further sort photos by year, events, or special occasions if you prefer. Give this updated feature a try and take control of your photo collection. Happy organizing?